In this video, I will show you how to print out a large worksheet or one page in Microsoft Excel. So, if you have the large like this one and you want to print in one page, so click on View and Page Break Preview. If you have this large page and you need to print in one page, so click on View, Page Break Preview. Now move to the last. So now here we can see this is the page 1. All data in page 1. Like this. So this is the complete one page. Now Control P or click on File and Print. Custom Scaling. Click here and click on Custom Scaling. Click here Custom Scaling Options. Select this page tab and click on Fix to page 1. Then click on OK. Now print. So this is the setting to print out a large worksheet or one page in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.